In this video, we will learn fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means getting larger in value, that is from least to greatest. So we will do this in two parts. That is, first, if the denominators are same, so we will look at the numerators. And in the second part, if the denominators are different, for that we make equivalent fractions. Start with the first type, that is arranging fractions with same denominators. This means like fractions which have denominators same. So first example here is we have to arrange from least to greatest, that is in ascending order. We have to look at the numerators. Whichever is the smallest will come first. Here smallest is 1. So we will write this fraction first. Then look at the remaining numerators. Here 2 is less than 3. So this fraction will come next. 2/3. So this will come at the last. Least to greatest. Let's see example 2. Here too we can see that all the denominators are same, that is 7. Now what we do? We look at the numerators. Whichever is the least, we will put that fraction first in the order. So here 1 is the least. 1 is the smaller number. Write 1/7 first. Now there are 4, 5 and 2. 2 is the smaller number. So this fraction will come next. Now 4 and 5. 4 is smaller number. So 4 will come. 4/7 will come next. And whatever is remaining will come at the end. So from least to greatest, smaller to bigger. Now the second type is with different denominators, that is unlike fractions. The fractions whose denominators are different. We will arrange fractions with different denominators in ascending order, that is arranging from least to greatest. Example 1. For unlike fractions, what we do? We make equivalent fractions first. You remember we did this with LCM method, where we try to find LCM for all the denominators. So we have 6, 4, 2, 5. We will find the least common multiple for all the 4 numbers. I'll divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 5 will be as it is. This will we multiply all the numbers and that gives LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is 4, this is 15. So it gives 60. This will be our denominator, which is common for all of them. First I will rewrite these fractions like this. Now to make it 60, I have to multiply by 10 the numerator and denominator. This becomes 6 10s are 60 and 5 10s are 50. Here to make it 60, we have to multiply by 15. This gives 60 here and this is 45. Here to make it 60, I have to multiply by 30. So this gives 60, 31s are 30. And to make this 60, we'll multiply by 12. So this is 60 and this is 12 ones are 12. So now it is easy to compare these fractions. Now I'll write 50 by 60, 45 by 60, 30 by 60, 12 by 60. These are same, so we look for the smaller number. So this comes first. Remaining 3, 30 is the smaller number, so this comes here. Now 45 by 60 and this is 50 by 60. So this is in ascending order. So this is, which was this? 12 by 60 was 1 by 5. 30 by 60 was 1 by 2. 45 by 60 was 3 by 4. 50 by 60 was 5 by 6. So this is our answer. Here you can see that all the denominators are different. But observe that all the numerators are same. For these kind of fractions, what we do, we look at the denominators. The first example, we made them equivalent fractions and then we arranged them in ascending order. Look at the denominators. Whichever denominator is greater is the lowest fraction. So here you can see 10 is greater than all. So we will write 4 upon 10 first. Next, we have 6, 8 and 2. 8 is bigger number. So we will write 4 upon 8 next. Next will come 6. So 4 upon 6. And last will be 4 upon 2. You remember in other video I told that for unlike fraction, when denominator is smaller, that means it is divided in less pieces. So here it is divided in 6 pieces, here 8 pieces, here 10 pieces. More the pieces, the fraction becomes less. We can use this trick for the fractions which have same numerators. In this slide, we will learn how to arrange fractions visually in ascending order, that is from least to greatest. So here I have used a whole that is divided in different fractions. So first one is 2/7, second is 2/3, third is 2/5, and the last one is 2/9. So I have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. So if I look at all the diagrams, I can see that 2/9 form the least fraction, isn't it? The shaded part is less than all of them. So first will be 2/9. Which will be the second? You guessed it right. It is 2/7. After that 2/5 comes and last 2/3. So how to write in ascending order? It will be 2/9 first, second will be 2/7, third will be 2/5, and the last one is 2/3.